Hi everyone, today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download videos from a Telegram private channel. If you're part of a private Telegram channel and you want to download the video shared there, here's how you can do it on the device. Here are the step-by-step guide. Number 1, all you need to do is to join a private channel. Use an invite link to add directly by the admin and let the video load. Tap on the video in the channel and allow it to buffer fully. Once it's playable, save your device and cache. Then install the File Explorer app. Just go to the Google Play Store and search for the F by Mac or any File Explorer app. Then install and open the app. Then here can locate the Telegram video file, and inside the File Explorer, just tap on the Android and the data and look for the folder starting the Telegram Messenger. And here you'll find all the videos downloaded through the telegrams. Then copy and share the video, and from here you can copy, rename, or share the video file as needed. And this method only works on the system or device. And if you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.